Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2017 420D M Sport Convertible. Presented in Melbourne Red, this vehicle features a wide array of BMW options alongside that stunning Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. A brand new set of the 20-inch CS style alloy wheels in frozen black. Sitting just behind those you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this 4 Series convertible we do have the full M Sport Plus package alongside some other great options. So at the front you can see the Angel Iron xenon headlamps. Down the side, as well as that very nice Melbourne Red, you can see the gloss black sidebars, satin side vinyls, YNC Mperformance decals, and of course we've already got the roof down, so you can see it comes with an Oyster Dakota leather. Inside the car we do have the full convertible comfort package. Included in that is the air collar system, so we're going to get a nice warm draft of air once that's activated towards the neck and the top of the head. Heated M Sport steering wheel, and of course heated seats. The seats are also electric memory and movement. You do also get the Harman Kardon sound system thanks to that M Sport Plus package. Rear seats still the same as a 2-door coupe, so the 2x2 Isofix arrangement. Central storage tray and Isofix ready. Behind those, however, is a storage compartment for the wind deflector. Once that's placed in the back portion of the seats, as you can see there, that is going to stop some of the wind turbulence experienced at higher speeds. Round towards the back of the car, again we're going to show you off those wonderful 20-inch wheels. Really do suit the convertible, and of course that nice colour combination of the red and black. Round towards the back, we've got the gloss black rear diffuser on this vehicle. Boot space is often always talked about when it comes to hardtop convertibles. And as you can see, obviously everything's folded nice and neatly away into the boot storage tray. Normally it would mean you have to put your roof all the way up to gain access to everything. However, pressing this button, everything's going to lift out of there to give you access to your full boot storage, to which is quite a large size for a convertible vehicle. Lift open the storage tray, and as you can see, that goes all the way to the rear of the seats and is a nice size boot for a convertible, meaning of course, should you want to, this could certainly be used as an everyday vehicle as well as a very special one. That'll all then fold nice and neatly back away, and we'll close down the boot and begin our way around to the driver's side. And of course I'll also show you what the vehicle looks like towards the end of the video with the roof all the way closed. Whether it be up or down, they are a very striking looking vehicle, and as I've mentioned, certainly can be used every day as well as those very special occasions. Inside we've got a professional wide BMW navigation and media unit on the car, and we'll go through a couple of the features of that. Activating the roof, really easy, nice and quick. Simply push this lever forward or the switch forward. Now that can be used at speeds of 15 miles an hour. So again, should you be caught out in a bit of a rainstorm or quickly just want to pop it up, not a problem. Vehicle's covered just over 29,000 miles, as you can see there. We've also got the heated M Sport steering wheel I was mentioning. So the roof shortly will be closed, as you'll hear in a second. There we go. And we'll walk you through a couple of the standard features. DAB, as well as a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including AUX, USB, and Bluetooth audio. There is also Bluetooth telephone, of course. Having that bigger screen always going to be useful on the sat nav. Back at the main menu, we'll go ahead and check out the service requirements and service history in just 1 second. Dual climate control, switches for our heated seats. This here is the air collar system. That's going to then, as I've mentioned, give you a nice warm draft of air. Useful should you want to have the roof down on a colder evening. Next service isn't due for 9,000 miles time on this vehicle, and there is full BMW service history also present. So there is a look around another very nicely presented 4 Series convertible. There is of course one last thing to do, which is show you what the car looks like with that roof fully closed. If you want to find out some more about this car, I'll leave some links for you in the description, so you can check out all of the prices and funding options that are available. Thank you all very much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.